the Dodgers situation, the Giants situation. Did you know that this is where it boils down to tomorrow, bro? If you win, you win that series, and if I win the series.
I'm telling you, dude, Dodgers, we got it documented, man. Like Dodgers gonna take the entire series. Dodgers are actually gonna go World Series.
Dude, are you gonna go series for series at this point?
Yeah. I'm telling you, the cards. As soon as they took care of the cards, I mean, it's whatever. I'm no genius. I mean, whenever I sports bet, I just pick A, B, or C.
There has to be a rhyme or reason to your betting strategy, dude. There has to
whatever.
Be. There has to be.
It's like me asking you, why do you have 16 million SHIB?
Why do I have 60 million SHIB? Because all I need is a penny.
Or a dollar.
I mean, let's not get crazy. I don't expect this to be a dollar because there's like 3 trillion tokens.
What?
There's 3 trillion tokens. And from what I understand is they're trying to burn supply.
Imagine if you lined up tokens. That's probably going to fill up.
Wrap around the world.
You think so? I mean, I wouldn't know what 3 trillion looks like.
I mean, depending on like what 3. Yeah. Who knows? Yeah. Who knows? Plus, they're listing on the hood next year.
They're in Coinbase.
Yeah,
they just got introduced last week. Yeah, that's why it went up.
On the hood, that's why it went up. So there's really not a whole lot of catalyst. It's an average up situation for me. That's the reason why I have 16 million SHIB.
16 million. That's a lot of zeros. That's 6 zeros behind it, my guy.
16 million SHIB.
I don't know what you're doing with that. I mean, time will tell.
I mean, early adopters.
Doge had a bunch of zeros, behind it
before it. Yeah,
decimal, right?
Yeah. I mean, it is what it is. Because think of Doge as like. It's a meme coin, right? Just like Shiba is a meme coin, right? Mm-hmm. But Doge is Bitcoin based as opposed to Shiba, which is Ethereum based, which has more potential applications. So we'll see. I mean, time will tell. Time will tell. But welcome to Daddy Bits, your trade ideas show hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayonator, and as always, my amazing co-host.
What's going on, Teflon John here?
Teflon Zero Con John is now a reality. He care to tell the people what happened to SoFi today?
Yeah, SoFi did well, but somewhat it dipped towards second. Well, actually, it messed around the entire day, and then I got stopped out, so I took my my profits. It was a nice 4,500 overall.
Nice. It was a solid day. In my opinion, this is kind of like the scenario that I really wanted for SoFi is to rest.
Mm-hmm.
We needed it to rest. So this was and it ended at a doji today. So, and we're back and it retraced below the Bollinger Band, and the Bollinger Band still kind of is opened up. So I believe that there's more to it tomorrow. We'll definitely keep that on tabs. But again, if you guys don't know what we're talking about, if you guys want to know more, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. Not buying the dips and selling the rips will make your portfolio see the apocalypse. Bust Down Academy, Bust Down Investments.
That was a good one. 10 out of 10 on that one.
10 out of 10. Also, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up because John, if you give us a thumbs down, a full one, drop down in the comment section below the stocks you guys want us to cover. And with that being said, let's get to it after this intro. Member gains. Let's take a look at some of our member gains from today. We had some pretty solid moves. We have a whole cast of characters that got in on some member gains today. Matt's back. Nice 110 off for UPST, right? Alvin, nice. Alvin's been consistent. You see him hit a 450 yesterday. Today he hit a 428 on AMD. Solid move.
It's a car note right there.
That's a car note, right? Dead Prez 128 off a Square. Solid move. Captain J. Captain
J was talking about like chopping off his dreads.
Was he?
Oh, you missed it.
Was he on Voice today? No, I wasn't even.
No, this was yesterday.
All right, and that's pretty much it. Was there more on the main chat?
I think so. Oh, right there. Captain J following me with Roblox.
Roblox, and then you.
You know what? Roblox. I'm actually up on Roblox. I'm up 110 on it already.
Nice, and you're up 3.5. You sold and collected 3.5 profit
for
3K for SoFi.
Yeah, for 15. Yeah, I held 15 and I got stopped out a couple hours later after that. So it was a nice 45.
CJ Gomez 415 hit that Square for nice $86. Nice $86. And let's take a look at some stocks that we want to cover. The first one is a review of yesterday, which is running after hours actually. Let's take a look at some Chargepoint. I'm liking Chargepoint setup today. Today was like scenario also like SoFi. Like I wanted Chargepoint to rest because it ran so much, right? Mm-hmm. So again, when you're swing trading, you kind of want to have these scenarios where it's not all the way up, right? And then I was doing some charting last night, and I drew this this wedge. It's a falling wedge. Mm-hmm. So we keep on trying to retest. We saw 3 touch points. 1, 2, and then 3 was yesterday. Charge point, and then it's looking to break. It's looking to break out of this wedge right here. It gave us a nice dragonfly doji for the day. It bounced above the EMA 20. I was watching this a little bit for today. I saw that it was breaking below the EMA 20, and I was starting to look at my exit. But as the day kind of progressed, it didn't break the 9, which I wanted to. So I set up an alert for 1931 where the EMA 9 is ending. So now we're above the 20. Okay, we're above the 20, and after hours today, it is making another move. So we closed today at $20 even. And now we are trading around $20.15 after hours. So this means a slight gap up tomorrow. And I think there's more room to move up to the upside here.
Sounds about right.
Anything you want to add on Chargepoint, John?
Where's your sell target on this one? What's your
sell target? How high is the moon, John?
I mean, AMC never got there, so I wouldn't know.
Whoa, is that a low blow? Was that a low blow? You watch. You see AMC's price action today? Did you see AMC's price action?
Hey, actually, speaking of AMC chart actually looks good.
It looks good. It looks good.
I was looking at it.
It looks good again.
I'm not going to touch it, though. Hell no, I'm not going to touch it. Remember what happened with AMC, how you made all those buku money and I only made $800? And that was a long and a short.
Oh man, my price target for this, to be completely honest, here is what I'm really trying to test is this EMA 20. This $21.30. I think if we can break above that and it
that's
holds,
a 50. Yeah.
The 50. Yeah, the 50. I'm sorry. The 50. If it doesn't break above the 50, we're gonna probably see a scenario where it's like you see how it kind of gets hits the 20 and it gets rejected. Hits the 20, it gets rejected. I foresee the similar scenario on Chargepoint. It's gonna drag its feet. So what I really want to do here is get in on exit the 50 and see if it ever goes back past up. What we really want to see here for Chargepoint, my hope is that it breaks the 100. It's not going to happen on this trade, but it's going to happen in later trades, I feel. So we'll keep that in mind and keep tabs on Chargepoint, because again, this is the leader in charging stations. Unlike Tesla, Tesla has its own network, right? With I think Lucid has his own network too, but I don't know. I've seen Lucid chargers, but I don't know if they're like Lucid only chargers. Right.
Why can't they just open up, for everyone's like a universal network? You make more money.
Different plugs.
Oh my
It's
God.
different plugs. So when you buy a Tesla, they provide to you an adapter so you can charge it up to a charge point. And I've charged on a charge point before, and I've used it. It's nice.
Really?
But it's just slow. Yeah, it like 6 hours to charge.
Where
at the hotel. We stayed at a hotel a couple weeks ago. So
so it's a legitimate, charge point. It has its logo and everything. Oh, okay, cool.
So you have to step up your own account. I mean, it's easy to use though. You could use your Apple Pay for it. The next stock that we want to cover is Roblox. John is currently in Roblox. John, what do you see on Roblox?
Roblox, Sticks and Stones game. Here we go. All right, so
this is profitable Minecraft.
Exactly, dude. Millions of users. Okay, and this thing's huge. My nephews play Roblox. I've never heard of it up until I saw the game, and I was like, "What is this crap?" It's popular though. Okay, so check this out. We're gonna look at the daily chart right here, and today's candle. This is what we were talking about in the chat room earlier. So Carvana and Qualcomm have similar setups with the chart that we're looking at. Roblox today broke out of the EMA 9. That's a nice resistance right there. It's been lagging for the past 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's about 2.5 weeks. It keeps getting rejected on the 9, and then today was the first time that it closed above it. Why is that important? Because tomorrow, now we have to test the EMA 9 if there is support there. So tomorrow,
there's a clean break on the flag too.
It's a clean break. On top of that, it finished right, between the 9 and the 20. I call it limbo. You're right in between. And what you want to do here for tomorrow is, if you are starting a position with Roblox, it does look like a nice swing. We need to find out if there is support at the EMA 9, which is around, give or take, 74, okay, 73.91. And our first target would be at 76.35. So I'm currently up $110 on this one. I do believe I have three or four contracts, I'm not sure, a month out, November 19th, I believe, or 17th. And then for this one right here, as long as the 9 holds, then our next target would be at the 50, which should be at around 79. This one, if you look at the MACD, perfect. Like it's a nice MACD. If you want to zoom out 1 year, this one right here, it hasn't really done a whole lot. It's always been on a range. So what we're playing here is just for short-term gains. And what I really want to look for is that MACD crossover, that blue line crossing the tan line on the upside. When it does, then, I think we're golden on that one.
Gotcha, because we're still trading in, what's this, May levels.
Yeah, it hasn't really done a whole lot.
Yeah, it hasn't really done a whole lot, but I like Roblox too. Anything after hours for Roblox? A little bit. No, stay stagnant.
It's all right. Yeah, it's all right.
It's all right. It's all right. The next stock that we want to cover is also a 50 Con John special.
50 Con John,
which is Qualcomm.
Okay, so QCOM has the same setup as Carvana and Roblox, which I'm in right now. However, what you're going to notice is QCOM still needs probably like a few more days or sessions, I guess. Today is a doji, and what we need to do is see a candlestick tomorrow, similar to what happened with Roblox. If it breaks the EMA 9, and it stays in between. Once it closes above the EMA 9, I think we're golden on that one. And then the following day, what we do is see if there is support. Qualcomm has a better chart, I would say, out of, between the two, between, Roblox and Carvana. The RSI is super beat up. It's below 30. It's at 29. The MACD is ready to curl up. We just need one green day. That's it. If it's tomorrow, perfect. Because our first target is at 130.25, which is 5 points from where we're at right now.
Nice.
This one, I have December calls on this one. They're relatively cheap. They're about, I think I paid $4.90 per contract.
That's not bad.
Yeah,
that's not bad
for December. Yeah, December.
Yeah, that's not bad at all. I think that Apple really didn't help its cause, but as soon as any news of chip shortage rumors to be done, this is gonna rocket. So
because AMD did well today.
AMD did well.
Yeah.
So watch out for Qualcomm. And I do like this move too. So I mean, the next stop you really do have is that 130, which is a solid move. We just need to get above this EMA 9, and I think we're in it to win it. Anything else you want to add? Nope. And that's pretty much it for today's episode of Daddy Bits. I hope you found that information helpful and useful.
No, it's useful it's with knowledge and use.
Knowledgeable and useful.
Knowledgeable and useful.
I hope you found this information knowledgeable and useful. I hope that person watches us. Right? And
I don't care.
Knowledgeable and useful. Also, make sure, don't forget to hit up our friends over at Bustdown Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. New to trading, don't know where to start. Just want to join a group of active traders. Also, we do have a seminar every Wednesday. So if you guys want to check that out, we can show you guys what we talk about and get you guys set up on the right direction. If you haven't yet, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice thumbs up, because John, if he gives a thumbs down,
your mom down.
A full one, drop down in the comment section below the stocks you guys want us to cover. Also, follow us on all social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. TradingDaddies.com for all your news, your merch. And that being said, let's get trading. And remember, guys, that the charts don't lie.
Yeah.